The fortunes of my heart will open today. Ram will come. The fortunes of my heart.
Whose son are you, and what are you doing here?
My parents are not there. I live by the banks of the Ganga.
Then come with me to the ashram. I live alone in the ashram. I will enjoy having you with me.
I will come to your ashram, but look at my body, Babaji.
Meaning? What do you want to say? And what is your name?
My name is Adhiya.
Adhaya? Such a name is not found in this region.
This has nothing to do with any region. At this age, I eat 2.5 kilograms of bread alone, and along with that, I eat vegetables, greens, lentils, rice, sweets, all separately. That's why people call me Adhaya.
Hey, the baskets are full, child. Eat as much as you want, and I like this name Adhaya too. So let's go to the ashram.
I will do as much work as you say, Babaji, but don't skimp on the food. 2.5 kilograms of...
It is fasting.
What needs to be done during the fast?
On that day, the stove in the ashram will not be lit. On that day, one has to remain hungry.
How many times does it occur in a month?
Twice. Once on the full moon's 11th day, and the other on the new moons.
So you will have to stay hungry for 2 days. Namo Narayan, I am leaving.
But why?
No, Babaji, I have to fast on Ekadashi.
I don't like it.
But once in 15 days?
You can eat fruits to your heart's content, drink more milk.
No, Babaji, we need 2.5 kilos of bati.
But it is the rule of the ashram.
Whatever the rule is, either improve the rule or let me go.
Alright, you eat. But the stove will not be lit in the ashram.
Since childhood, poverty has taught me many skills. I know how to cook.
Then the flour, take the vegetables and go far into the forest from the ashram. Cook there and eat. If you observed Ekadashi, I would be pleased. But you don't understand. But it's okay. Don't cook in the ashram.
Alright, Babaji, on the day of Ekadashi, I will go deep into the forest, cook and manage.
Tomorrow is Ekadashi.
Yes, Babaji. Give me the kitchen supplies. I will eat outside. You observe Ekadashi here.
But son, I am still saying, do not violate the rules of the ashram.
Babaji, then let me go.
Oh, Adhiya, in our ashram, there is a rule that offerings are made to Thakurji before anything is consumed. You are doing all this on the day of Ekadashi. I do not refuse that, but only after offering it to Thakurji.
Who is Thakurji?
Dude, Thakurji means God, Ishwar.
That means they will appear when the offering is made? Then give more items.
You fool, how do I explain to you?
Gurudev's Thakur, please eat now.
Swami, the meal is ready. Where are you going?
One of my devotees is calling me. I will be right back.
Gurudev's Thakur, please eat now.
Oh, brother, who are you?
I am Guruji's Thakur.
Guruji's Thakur. Babaji used to say, Thakurji doesn't come, and you came. Babaji deceived me, and so did you, Thakur. Have some decency, Thakur. You immediately dropped in on someone else's prepared meal.